Hello, Pisces. It's Lulu, and welcome to your indie read, which is going to be a love read. Whether you are in a relationship or not, you can see how it resonates with you and who is in close proximity to you. Because, of course, we don't do best friend reads and mama daughter reads and the things. Okay, unless y'all vote. Okay. All right, let's get into it. What information do you have here for my alarm is going off in there? What are Pisces feelings towards the love or love interest, love matters of the heart? Pisces, there you go. Read it and feed it. All right. Trust. Uh-oh. Forgiving and learning. I was gonna say trust issues. All right. This is how you feeling towards a person. Passion. What are these trust issues? Finances and career. What is the forgiving and learning? Codependency. And what is the passion? Deception. All right. So this person didn't tell you what it is that they had. This person didn't tell you what it is that they had going on in certain areas of their life. It may even be that, they have their vices, and we always have to ask people, what's your vice? Right? Because everybody got a vice. So it's like, well, not everybody. Can't speak for all these people, chat. But most people do have something that they do or like that, with that has to do with something that probably stem from childhood, right? So there may be some issues. Maybe this person drinks a lot, drugs, whatever this is. Maybe they party, but it's causing issues with the finances. It's causing issues with having to keep going back and forth and expressing. They have to keep apologizing over and over again. They apologize, you have good sex, or they apologize, they make up for it in a certain type of way, but then they go and do it again. Okay, they got some kind of temptation, and they say that temptation is, what is it? Temptation is only are things that you might like and might want, but it's up to you to decide if you fall into, that, if you're tempted, it could be a craving, right? Okay. Because I've been craving toast with a little butter. Hot, pop out the toast with a little butter. That's all. Okay. But I know what that bread gonna do to me. Okay. Now then, let's get into it. All right. So there's trust issues, somebody begging for it. Like they come in and beg for forgiveness. Thank you. Please, please, please. Not thank you, but please, please, please forgive me. Please. This, that, and the other. And then they seem to become more passionate about life, finding a job, controlling the financial issues that they may be having or what have you. And you just find out that it's all over again. It's like a cycle with this person. But the deception can be that they're just wearing a false mask when it comes to their codependency. That's going, whatever it is that they got going on that they haven't told you about, it's about to be revealed to you. What is this trust issue with these finances that Pisces picked up from this person? The Ace of Pentacles. They probably told you that they have a new job or a new plan. Y'all gonna move together, whatever this is. And it's like they cherry pick with the information that they give you. What is this forgiving and learning this in this codependency? Forgiving them from some type of mistake that they made. They say that they've healed. They are no longer doing what it is that they do. They no longer partake in those festivities or what have you. Here, they're on the straight and narrow. What is this? Clarify this star card for this forgiving and learning and codependency that Pisces feels towards this person, please, honey. The strength card. They're coming in strong. They're coming in powerful. They are very confident when they are doing and saying these things. But I do feel like, not to burst your bubble, but you probably already know. You're just waiting. The way that you communicate, the way that you say certain things really turns this person on. He got on a yellow shirt and she has on a blue shirt. So blue is communication, throat chakra, clarity. You're very clear about what it is that you're saying. Like, okay, I'm gonna forgive you this time, but if it happens again, okay, out the door you go. Justice and the high priestess, because you already see stuff. You either gonna do this right or not. We gonna call this shit off. Okay, maybe you're married to this person or have some strong ties to what it is that they do. Maybe you work with this person, but let's see, somebody close to you, because you know all their business. What is this deception and this passion card for Pisces? The Knight of Pentacles. It's gonna come out slowly but surely. Six of Pentacles in the reverse and the Seven of Cups. You're gonna come out of. You're gonna see that, and the Moon, and the Eight of Wands. You're gonna have to take action because the opportunity for you to take action after this is revealed to you is gonna be very important. Ten of Wands, because it's too much of a burden, whatever it is, whatever action that you are going to take. King of Cups in the reverse and Crybaby. Okay, mischievous with emotions, intellect, vicious tongue, whatever that is. All right, let's see here. Only you know what's going on with you, okay? But if you got to keep forgiving somebody for the same thing over and over again, it's going to be a no. Okay, you're going to have to move on. I'm not saying leave your partner. I don't tell people to, oh, you need to leave, unless it's abusive. And there's levels to abuse. Come on, man. You can't talk to Pisces like that. You do not know these people. All right, what is this person's feelings towards Pisces, please? Excuse me, y'all. What is this person's feelings towards Pisces? Retreat, religious factors, playfulness. Y'all don't believe in the same thing, I don't think. Release your ex is under retreat. What's under religious factors? Keep an open mind. And what's under playfulness? Let your friends help you. All right. They think you need to lighten up. You need to see things from like whatever this codependency is that they have going on. It's one of those, but everybody's doing it type of things, right? Um, they okay, so this person thinks that you are holding on to your beliefs when it comes to certain things. Like you may be the type of person that's like, you if you drink that and like you break down, you may be let's use this as a metaphorically, right? You break down what their issue is, right? Whether it's gambling, drinking, drugs, whatever it is, right? And you may break it down in a way that is spiritual, the spiritual ramifications, the things that if you keep drinking, you see when you drink this happens, right? Well, you're letting the spirits taking control over you because you're drinking spirits and all these things, and it's like, whoa, 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 won't you lighten up? Everybody's doing it. I'm just having fun. You're disconnected. Like that last person that you were dealing with really took you for a loop. That last person that you were dealing with, kind of got you in a closed off space. You don't understand. They're trying to get you to see things. They want you to see things in the way that they see them. You need to lighten up. All right, you need to go out more. Bad building friends in the upright. You ain't trying to have it. I mean, in the reverse. You're not trying to have, you're not trying to understand that. All right. What is this retreat and release your ex? Clear your energy. What is this clear your energy here that this person feels towards Pisces? You'll have more fun and be more accepted if you, you know, get out of that mindset. I don't know why they think that your ex was very controlling and that's why you're controlling. Maybe whatever it is that you went through with the ex has a lot to do with the communication. Because maybe you went through some type of awakening with the ex and you just realized a whole lot of shit wasn't true. And it's like they think that that's got a hold on you or something. Only you can prevent forest fires, Pisces. What is this keep an open mind here that this person feels towards Pisces? Ace of Wands. A new way of seeing things, new way of seeing spirituality, religion, tradition, foundation, structure, the religious factors, and the keep an open mind, and the Ace of Wands. The Ace of Wands and clarifying this just tells me that they're hoping to be able to get through to you. Okay, give you some type of inspiration for a creative. This is a creative way. Why don't you look at it this way? Or maybe they're inviting you somewhere that has is different than where it is that you're used to going. But the thing about it is they know the light in you. But see, that's the thing. When you're dealing with people who have uh, this type of codependence, right? When you're dealing with people who have this type of codependency issue, and they are trying to convince everyone around them that they're okay and this is the thing to do and it's all right or what have you, they fall into this where they try to open you up to it too. This is kind of like if you're around them long enough, they're gonna get you to try it. Okay, if you become weak enough, you'll start trying the shit. Okay, What is this playfulness and let your friends help you? It may even be that you discuss your ex a lot, or I'm telling you, whatever your last relationship, that's what they're holding against you. What is this playfulness and let your friends help you? The Four of Wands and the Hanged Man. When you're indecisive about coming out of the box, maybe dating or getting to know people or getting back into your heart energy, your love energy, your playful energy, your lighthearted energy. Get out the house. Okay, maybe you're in the attic of the house. They don't understand the attic. Okay. And I think the hangman is Piscean. Make a decision on the direction that you want to go and go for it. They may even be helping you with some type of transition as well. Wow. They may be helping you with some type of transitioning in your life. So this may be a friend that you care about and they care about you too. So y'all may want to take each other's advice to a certain extent, maybe, possibly. Yeah. What are this person's feelings towards Pisces? The high priestess. You keeping a secret, you're hiding something. You got all major stuff. Like you must be a major player, a major person, a major making major moves, okay? And what's so crazy is that usually, if you notice it or not, usually, hey, put me a little mole right here. Usually, people who are drawn to empaths have some type of codependency issues, right? And this person sees you as a beacon of light, but they want you to have more fun, lighten up a little bit, let go of what was and welcome in what is. They don't know that you're doing that, possibly. Because with this high priestess, they know that, the road that you are on is different from other people. What is this? Let your friends help you. Ace of Pentacles. Take the offer to go out. Ten of Cups. Be around people who love you and enjoy yourself, right? Um, what steps what will be the future potential future steps between Pisces and this person, chill? Communication, a new way of communicating, collaborating, as well as plans of healthy foundation, making a choice to keep this going. The lovers, for like this is gonna get healthier. Y'all just have to communicate more. They gotta stop lying and really say and stop saying that they trying and really do. And then, with you, it's like maybe you do need to get out more. That's what they said. All right. Or just need a better support system here, or allow yourself to just really have fun, because that's the thing too. When people have these codependency issues, Rudolph, right? When people do have these codependency issues, it stems from, boredom. It stems from, needing some dopamine popping or something like that, serotonin popping or something like that, just a little adventures popping like that. And it's like they can see that you need to do that as well. So they may not be lying. And plus, they are very intuitive and they allowing the spirits to use them, okay? So in a sometimes unhealthy way, but the spirits are coming through to tell you the truth from through them, right? Because sometimes we don't like the messenger, but the message is still just as important and effective as it ever could be. All right. What is this? Release your ex this person feels towards Pisces? The lover. So it's actually somebody that you were dealing with. You need to make a choice. Stop going back and forth with yourself. Block it. Control the energy. Stop allowing it to be a challenge for you and just keep moving forward. They want you also with this keep an open mind. Get off your high horse. Mm. Maybe you're on your soapbox about, what you want and all these, this, that, and the other. Now, look, I'm just the messenger. You ain't got to like what I said. Make a choice to move forward. Assert yourself. They want you to really get back in the dating game, the dating arena. So this may not be someone that you are dealing with on a love relationship basis in the sense of um, partnerships, but this may be someone who is close enough to you to know that it's time for you to see things differently, do things differently. Maybe you are in your work a lot. Um, Chasing the bag, Knight of Coins in the reverse is moving too fast, not taking their time and living their life and doing things right. So you may have fears because of something that happened to you in your love life, Nine of Wands and the Queen of Cups. You may have fears or be wounded from certain things that you do need to heal from. And that's why, on they drunken stupors or whatever it is, it's like when people get drunk and high, it be so wild because you can tell that something is speaking through them. And what happens is they just be telling you stuff. Because this is so funny. I remember back in the day when I was in music, these girls who they were in a group and I was in a group, what have you. And we were in the car and they were high, they were lit as fuck, right? And they were like, "We think you a good witch, and we think so and so is a bad witch." I'm like, "What?" They were high on a motherfucker though, but it was so interesting when they said that because a lot of things were revealed after the fact. All right, that's my 1 2 to do. Happy week, happy greet.